About catalog?
Oh, boy, I'd love to do that.
That's the thing, when you get married, they want you to go to bed when they go to bed. If you're dating, they say, let's go to bed, you're like, okay, let's go to bed, because some shit might happen. I sit downstairs and I watch TV, but she doesn't want me down there. She wants me upstairs in case she needs water and shit like that. She'll just pop up from the couch like it's Vietnam or some shit. What are you doing? I'm like, ah! Do you realize it's almost 9:15? You shut that TV off right now and you come to bed. Easy, honey, okay? I'm not down here with Jim Morrison in a keg doing blow off a hooker's ass. Look at me, I'm wearing matching pajamas. Come to bed right now, I want to show you some stuff, alright? Okay, listen, I'm not going to show you if you're not going to pay attention. You're going to pay attention because I'm not going to show you if you're not going to pay attention.